When it comes to watchmaking tools, I'm sure Bergeon is the first name that springs to mind when you're talking about quality tools. And we look at AliExpress as, well, they're good enough if you can't afford the real thing. What if I told you I was about to shatter all that misconception? Here's a picture of three different Oilers. One is the Bergeon Premium, one is a standard Bergeon, and the other is a cheap AliExpress knockoff. Just for a little bit of fun before we go to the main part of the video, just drop in the comment which one you think is the Premium, the Standard, and the AliExpress knockoff, A, B, and C. And in just a moment, we'll reveal all. Hi, my name's Bob Walder. So, how do you think you did? Well, I'll put you out of your misery and tell you that option A, the one on the left, was the Bergeon Premium. These are $46 each and $180 for the set of four. The one in the middle was the AliExpress cheap knockoff. These are $8 for a set of four. And the one on the right was the standard Bergeon Oiler that you can get for 20 bucks for a set of four. I would have to say, pretty shocked when I got the Bergeon Premium. I basically ordered the set of four from Esslinger, paid $20, and there's in the Premium set there's an extra black one, which is supposed to be as fine as the red one, but it's a slightly different shape. And I was looking at the prices on Esslinger and I thought, you know, I cannot drop $180 on a set of Oilers right now. So thinking Bergeon are going to be the best quality, even though 20 bucks is pretty reasonable for any kind of Bergeon product, I figured, you know what, I'll get the basic set of four and then I will add the black Premium, and maybe over time I will add more and more Premium. So I got these thinking that the black, it made it look on the website like the black was actually made out of metal. It's got these little knurled rings to just make it a little nicer to hold. Other than that, I mean, the size it's possibly it's a little thicker than if I hold them next to each other under this camera, you can see the Premium's probably a little thicker than the standard one. But I was really shocked at $46 that this is still plastic. Yes, the tip is so much better finished than this one, as you can see from the photographs. But I thought that was kind of the price you had to pay for a nicely finished Oiler. And probably you'll see from the Microscope image, as nicely finished as it is, it still needs dressing before we use it. It needs polishing up. So I don't really know what made me do this, other than the fact I was getting some stuff from AliExpress, and I saw these set of four for $8, and they look really similar to that Bergeon Premium. When I got them out of the case, I was amazed to find that these are actually made of metal. They've got some real weight to them. The knurled bit is actually little rubber grommets set into the metal handle. And the tips are really, really nicely finished. as you saw from the photograph. I'll just pop that photograph up again now so you can have a look now that you know which one's which. The choice of tip shape, I guess, is personal to a certain extent. The red one in the Bergeon Standard set, which is supposedly the finest, corresponds to the red one in the AliExpress set. So those are the ones I was actually showing you. I was showing you the two red ones from AliExpress and the Bergeon Standard alongside the Premium. So the fineness of these tips, they're all supposed to be around the same, about 0.18 millimeter. And as you can see, they're just different shapes. Now, for some applications, maybe that Bergeon Standard shape might come in useful. I don't know. All I know is that I will not be buying any more Bergeon Premium Oilers. I am perfectly happy with these AliExpress. I love using them. The weight is good. You feel like you've got something solid in your hands. I love the little rubber grip on there, and the finish on the tips and the shape of the tips is just perfect as far as I'm concerned. Just like the Bergeon Standard set, they give you a range of different thicknesses and shapes as you move through the colors. And well, I just thought it was worth making. This is going to be a super short video, but I just thought it was worth making this to stop any of you going out and, I mean, honestly, even wasting money on the standard Bergeon set at 20 bucks. Just go straight for the AliExpress knockoffs. I will leave a link to all of them in the description. I am not being sponsored in any way. I paid for these with my own money. I don't have an Amazon affiliate link, so I will leave links to them all. And you can be assured that because I'm so enamored with the AliExpress knockoffs, I did want to make the point that I am not being sponsored, that I did pay my own money, all $8 of it. So, I mean, yeah, throw your Bergeons away, go and buy AliExpress, and you're welcome. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.